Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're putting the spotlight on the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED Q425. A lightweight and long-lasting laptop that's making waves in the mid-range market. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Zenbook 14 OLED Q425 is designed for those seeking portability without compromising on display quality and battery life. It features a sleek aluminum chassis with an understated design, which, while lightweight at just under 3 pounds, does exhibit some flex, particularly noticeable in the lid and base. Now, let's talk about build quality. The aluminum frame, while lightweight, does feel a bit flimsy compared to some competitors like the Lenovo Slim 7i. The hinge, for instance, is firm but tends to wobble once opened past a certain angle, which might bother some users looking for a more solid feel. Moving on to the star of the show, the 14-inch OLED touch display. It offers a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. This OLED panel really shines in media consumption and content creation tasks, providing a superior visual experience compared to standard IPS displays. Under the hood, our model comes equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, 16GB of RAM, and Intel Arc graphics. In benchmark tests, it performs admirably in everyday tasks and multitasking scenarios. However, it falls behind in graphics-intensive applications compared to its competitors like the Lenovo Slim 7i. Battery life is where the Zenbook 14 OLED Q425 truly impresses. It lasted over 13 hours in our streaming video test, thanks to the power-efficient OLED panel and well-optimized hardware. This makes it a fantastic companion for long workdays or travel without needing frequent recharges. When it comes to usability, the keyboard offers a pleasant typing experience with adequate key travel, although it may feel a bit shallow for some users. The touchpad, however, is average at best, with a somewhat inconsistent click response and noticeable diving board effect along its edges. On the connectivity front, the Zenbook 14 OLED Q425 is well equipped with Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, HDMI 2.1, and Wi-Fi 6E. It lacks an SD card slot, which might be a miss for creative professionals. Wrapping up, the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED Q425 offers great value with its OLED display, impressive battery life, and overall solid performance. It's ideal for users prioritizing display quality and portability over rugged build. However, if you prioritize a sturdier build and better audio, you might want to consider alternatives like the Lenovo Slim 7i. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and informed. See you soon.